You see how quick it is?
Oh my god.
You see how quick it was?
How,
If
like,
it's really hot.
So East Coast Passion coming at you. More videos to come, alright? We'll see you.
I have thyme also, but I'm like, I'm not even.
You bring all that ingredients?
Yeah, I bought it in Italian market. Everything.
So what's that?
That's ribeye steak. Half an inch.
And what are you doing over there?
I'm browning the rosemary and the garlic and putting it really high temp so I can sear this fat off and add color to the steak. And it should have been a shallower pan because, you know, it's easier to baste it rather than like a deeper one. So like I just need it really hot. And like I said, it's better with a gas rather than the induction because you lift the pan while you're basting. Because if it's induction, it has to touch the surface for the heat. But if it's gas, even though you fill it, you know, tilt it like that, you still get the heat. That's it. Color? Yeah, that's it. You don't need to cook it, like I said, because I bring it up to temp in the grill already. Like you know how gray it is? Yeah. Pretty much right. Right. I'm just adding color.
take a video. That's good enough. That's good enough.
You see how quick it is?
Oh my god.
You see how quick it was?
I know. How,
If
like,
it's really hot.
wow.
Touch it with the fork. Like how
Final.
yeah. You see the crust? That's the crust.
This is the final product.
Actually, I don't want to put that.
What do you call this?
John's Ribeye.
John's Ribeye.
I thought it's depth.
Alright everybody, I want to say thank you to East Coast Passion. Make sure you follow, like, comment, do whatever you gotta do for my boy Harold. East Coast Passion was good, let's go!